Hello everybody, it's Caleb. Let's install Elixir on Windows 11. Let's click in this search result. We are seeing the Elixir web page. It's a great programming language. You're seeing the features, the tooling, and let's click on install. Let's find the Windows section in here. Now Elixir runs on the Erlang virtual machine, so we need to install Erlang first. Okay, we are going to install the 64-bit installer. Click download, save. Alright, now let's close this tab and download the Elixir, the latest version, There are other versions, but we have decided to install the latest version. Okay, we need to check if Erlang is installed in our system with the command ERL. And as you can see, we haven't installed Erlang, so we are going to proceed with the installation. Okay, double click on the installer. There is this confirmation from Windows. Let's leave all these features as they are, click next. And we are not changing the installation directory, so next and install. Okay. Now it is completed. Okay, still we don't have access to this program. We need to actually add the program to the environment variables here in Windows 11. So you need to... Okay, here's the command line. I checked, but it is the same result. So let's add the variables. But first, remember we need to find the installation path of Erlang. The Erlang installation path. Okay, we need to copy the path of the bin folder. Okay, let's copy the bin path. And now we need to paste that value in the environment variables. Right click, probably of this part, advanced system settings, environment variables, and we are seeing the environment variables. Let's click on path and edit. Now we need to click on new because it is a new one. Okay. And let's paste the value of the bin folder, Okay. Now let's add that same value in the system variables below here, in the path variable again, edit and new. Okay, and okay. And the terminal needs to be restart, But let's install Elixir, because now we have Erlang installed. Okay, this is a security check from Windows. Let's say run anyway. Okay, Elixir installer. The Elixir installer has found the Erlang installation, so it's great. Next, again the default installation folder, install, and it is completed right now. Very quick, you know. In here the variables will be updated automatically by the installer. Now we can actually check our installation, our Elixir installation with iex.bat here in Windows. And as you can see, we have succeeded. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you the next time. Thank you.